Hi, my name is Kelsey Randall, and I will be singing The Beauty Is from The Light in the Piazza, followed by a monologue from All I Really Need to Know I Learned in Kindergarten. These are very popular in Italy. It's the land of all the marble boys. Something we don't see a lot in Winston-Salem. That's the land of corduroys. I'm just someone in an old museum, far away from home as someone can go. But the beauty is I still meet people I know. Hello, this is wanting something, this is reaching for it, this is wishing that a moment would arrive. This is taking chances, this is almost touching what the beauty is. I don't understand a word they're saying. I'm as different here as different can be. And the beauty is I still meet people like me. Everyone's a mother here in Italy. Everyone's a father or a son. I think if I had a child, I would take such care of her. Then I wouldn't feel like one. I've hardly met a single soul, but I am not alone. I feel known. This is wanting something. This is praying for it. This is holding breath and keeping fingers crossed. This is counting blessings. This is wondering when I'll see that boy again. I've got a feeling he's just a someone too. And the beauty is when you realize someone could be looking for a someone like you. In the early dry dark of an October's evening, the neighborhood children are playing hide and seek. How long since I played hide and seek? 10 years? Okay, maybe more. I remember how and I could join in their game in a moment if they invited me. But adults don't play hide and seek. Not for fun anyway. Did you ever have a kid in your neighborhood who always hid so good nobody could find him? We did. After a while, we would give up on him and go off, leaving him to rot wherever he was. Sooner or later, he would show up, all mad because we didn't keep looking for him. And we would get mad back because he wasn't playing the game the way it was supposed to be played. There's hiding and there's finding, we'd say. And he'd say it was hide and seek, not hide and give up. And we'd all yell about who made the rules and who cared about who anyway, and how we wouldn't play it with him anymore if he didn't get it straight and things like that. Hide and seek and yell. No matter what though, the next time he would hide too good again. He's probably still out there hiding somewhere for all I know. A man I know found out last year he had terminal cancer. He was a doctor and knew about dying, but he didn't want to make his family and friends suffer through that with him. So he kept his secret, and he died. Everybody said how brave he was to bear his suffering in silence, but privately, his family and friends said how angry they were that he didn't need them, didn't trust their strength, and they were hurt that he hadn't said goodbye. He hid too good. Getting found would have kept him in the game. Hide and seek, grown-up style. Wanting to hide, needing to be sought. Confused about being found. Even better than hide and seek, I like to play a game called Sardines. In Sardines, the person who is it goes and hides, and everybody goes looking for him. But when they find him, they get in and hide with him. Pretty soon, everybody is hiding together, all stacked in a heap like a pile of puppies. Then somebody giggles, and somebody laughs, and eventually, everybody gets found. Thank you.